Let's now explore the search function and some ideas that ChatGPT can generate for you. With search, it can find news, information, and articles from various websites, combine them, and give you a summary, making it more easier to find information without going through every single article on different websites. However, be careful with the response ChatGPT provided to you because it can make mistakes or misinterpret data. It is always a good idea to always check the response first before using it. Now let's say I have Mother's Day coming up, and I am in need of a good original idea for a present. I am happy to spend around $30 to $50. ChatGPT will then search the web for me, finding good present ideas for my budget. Here's the idea, as well as where I can buy it. I can now simply check these out one by one. And I can also check the links where it will then bring me to the web store where I can buy it online. Suppose I like present idea number 5, but it is out of my budget range. I can always ask ChatGPT to provide alternative options for this idea. Or let's say I like idea number 6, but I don't like the brand. I can also ask ChatGPT to provide me with more store options to choose from. And as you can see here, it has given me more options from different stores. And you will see that I can actually visit one of these stores and buy from there. After that, I can also ask ChatGPT to summarize all ideas and cost options in a table. This can be helpful when you are not ready to make a decision and would like to save the options for later, or you are giving the present as a group and would like to share the options with other people in a handy overview. ChatGPT can basically help you generate original ideas for a present, as well as being efficient in finding the links from various websites to help you decide.